Some people love to have intense conversations with AI chatbots, and ChatGPT developer OpenAI is making sure that doesn't go overboard. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. OpenAI has now added a new trusted contact feature in ChatGPT that lets users nominate a trusted individual to receive an alert if there is a safety concern. ChatGPT already recognized self-harm and suicidal conversations and directed you towards crisis support helplines or the emergency services to get some help. Now it's also added the trusted contacts feature to notify a friend or relative over text, email, and the ChatGPT app that you might be in trouble and that the contact should check in with you. OpenAI says social connection is important to reduce suicide risk, and trusted contact is designed to encourage connection with someone the user already trusts. Of course, it doesn't replace professional care or crisis services, and it's just to support people in distress. If a user talks about self-harm or suicide, they'll get prompts to reach out to your nominated contact with some AI-generated ideas for what to say. This feature has been developed in partnership with mental health professionals and experts and works in a similar way to the existing parental controls. But for those 18 and over, you can set your trusted contact through the ChatGPT settings panel, and it might just save your life. The person you specify has a week to accept the request, and if they don't, you can pick someone else. Before trusted contact gets alerted, a small team of specially trained people will review the chat if there is a serious safety concern. The contact gets pinged, but it won't include specifics from the chat. The feature is rolling out gradually and might catch you up soon. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.